So since I am on this journey of rediscovering my love for styling, or sort of finding the joy in styling again, I've been on Pinterest a lot lately. Recently, I actually went back and looked at a few of my outfit mood boards, and I came across one specifically that really intrigued me because it was styling a scarf in a completely different way.
Spend some time in the hole, spend some time in the can, spend the money I owe to a dangerous man. Wouldn't want you to know how it was.
So it made me sort of reflect on myself, because I was like, you know, you really don't wear scarves that often. I mean, I wear like a bandana scarf. Like I've mentioned before, this has sort of become like my signature because it's just easy. And I think as much as I love a signature piece, because I think it is like I think it is a great way of like creating that signature style and really making your style voice or style iconic by kind of just embracing those signature pieces that you wear on repeat. Sometimes I also use this as a crutch.
How it was in the past, I was doing it up, I was living too fast. I do really want to tell you about where I've been. Lord, she turns me on, I just hope she don't turn me in. She's gonna
I think sometimes it's fun to have like a little disrupt the default mode, and it kind of just makes you pay attention a little bit more and enjoy it. So I think that's like a big part of what I had lost.
You're the reason I laugh, you're the reason I wander, get stuck in the past.
So scrolling through Pinterest, and I came across this outfit, and I know that this is a big trend right now of like styling the scarf as like a little sort of belt. It turns into like a little skirt. It was like the first time I saw somebody styling it more as like a layer, put it underneath and have the top layer come over it and really just kind of show it as like a layer rather than like a belt or an accessory. It became more a part of the outfit, and I was just fully pulled in by it.
I'm a son of a gun, just a rambling man. You don't seem to mind when I don't got a plan.
That is such a great way of adding dimension to a look without actually having to add like a physical layer to yourself, you know, and adding that warmth. So it's so perfect for that summer to fall transition time. I was like, this is what I needed, because I think I'm very much over like the summer no layer vibe. most beautiful thing about a scarf, and one of the things I've really missed, is that when you have an outfit that is sort of feeling a bit basic or a bit boring, a bit blah, maybe a bit flat, a scarf can completely save you. Grab a scarf, tuck it in your pocket, and you've elevated your outfit by at least 30%.
She's gonna turn me in.
Girls started a scarf tangent. Can't stop her now.